Yo, what's really good? It's the one and only Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now, in this video, I am reviewing some hats from my favorite place, Hat Club. Oh yes, I have a two-piece from Hat Club, man, and these are NBA related. Now, remember, when it comes to kicks, clothes, or cologne, I'm gonna keep you in your zone. Stay tuned.
Hat Club got me dripping. Pink brim when you see me, blue brim when you see me, red brim when you see me. I'm litty, and I be holding down the city. I'm litty, I be holding down the city.
Alright, and welcome back, man. So right here, I do have my box straight from Hat Club, you feel me? Can't really go wrong. I got my trusty box cut. Let's go ahead and give it a slice. Then you know what time it is, man. Peel back game. We gonna peel it back and we gonna peel it back, man. So yeah, like I said, I do have a two-piece from Hat Club, you feel me? And oh yeah, and really I made this order because I had to get this one hat in particular. So I was like, you know what, let me just see what else they got, so you know I can get the free shipping and all that type of stuff, man. But yeah, you got the paper right here, and this is the joint, man. I had to scoop this, man. Right here, we have the New York Rangers. New York Rangers, man. Lovely hat, man. Very nice hat. And this is in that teal. This is the teal kind of mint green colorway right here. As you can see, we got the Statue of Liberty right there. We got some bronze stitching. We got a little bit of that red for the New York Rangers. And I mean, I think this is overall just a really dope hat as far as just the design, the stitching. On the side, we do have that Stanley Cup trophy, man. So, I mean, look at that. Up close, you can't really go wrong, man. Trophy looking lovely. On the back, we do have the Rangers in that kind of silver gray colorway right there, almost a gunmetal. And this is a pink bottom right here, man. Now, the retail on this joint, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but the retail on this was $55. And I think they were running some type of a promotion where like buy one get one like 20% off or something like that, man. So I said, let me just go ahead and take advantage. We do have the all white sweatband on this, man. All white sweatband. We do have the NHL right here. We got the new era. We got the hat size, and we also have the Hat Club. This is a Hat Club exclusive, so you have the Hat Club label on the inside as well. All white sweatband, pink bottom. Now, you know I had to get this, man. So the New York Knicks did win the NBA Finals, man. And I saw everybody going crazy with their Knicks gear, Knicks everything. But I said, you know what? I got to be a little bit different. You know, I want to get something from the champions, but like I got a lot of orange and blue. I said, you know what? I'm going to go with that New York Rangers. And you know what really set it off? I'm going to show you. I said, I got these in the stash. Now, this right here, this is the Kobe 6 Jalen Brunson PE. So just a nice look at it. This is a very clean shoe. As you can see, I haven't worn them yet. I haven't busted them yet. I did try this one on. But yeah, this is just a really dope shoe. It's the Jalen Brunson colorway. So I had to, it was like, man, it was meant to be. So I'm gonna call this hat the Jalen Brunson right here. This is the Brunson hat, man, because it's just like it's a natural pairing. Like, you gotta do it. If you got this, you gotta get this. Or if you got this, you might want to look into these. But I mean, I got these when they first came out. I just never really it took me like a couple months to even open it up. But I said, you know what? I got them shoes. Let me scoop the hat, man. So yeah, very nice hat, man. Let me go ahead and take this joint off. Go straight to the dome. I did get a size 7, which is my preferred size. I mean, I can rock a 7. I can rock a 7 1/8. And I still got some 7 1/4, but I prefer the size 7 now because I just like the tighter fit. And even this joint right here, if you haven't seen my last video, I did a bunch of 940 A-frames. This is a 5950 fitted, but I did a bunch of 940 A-frames, and this was one of them joints, man. Can't go wrong with that. But yeah, man, this is tough, man. I had to get this hat. I wanted to make sure it didn't sell out on me. I didn't want to miss out on it. But let me give you some of this. Let me turn to the side. Oh yes, give you some of that side patch shot, man. And like I said, there were two hats in this joint, so I had to scoop something else, man. And oh yes, this one right here is near and dear to my heart, man. Right here, we do have another 5950. This is the Los Angeles Clippers. Now, this is that throwback logo. Like, I remember Lamar Odom, you feel me, Darius Miles, when the jerseys was really cracking. This was the logo you wanted, man. And this is such a classic hat. I had to scoop it, man. Did get a size 7. We have a gray bottom on this. Retail on this one is $55 as well. All black sweatband, gray underbrim, Hat Club, Hardwood Classics, New Era flag, and the hat size, which is the 7, man. This has a lovely patch also. This is the San Antonio All-Stars. Now, I'm not sure why they chose this patch, but I mean, the patch looks good. San Antonio All-Star Game patch, man. We have that blue button top. And I don't know if you guys are familiar, but the true blue 3s did just drop, you feel me? So I might have to cop, you feel me? I'm gonna wait a little bit, see how they go, because they not selling out, so I might be able to catch them, you feel me, at a small discount, you feel me? Ain't nothing wrong with that. But yeah, man, so this hat, tough. This hat, super tough. Lamar Odom, Darius Miles, man. I mean, what a time, you feel me? But yeah, let me go ahead and take this joint off. Let me put this one on. Oh yes, another good fit alert. Got size 7 on this. Booyah. Let me turn to the side, give you some of that side patch shot, man. And remember, don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because you know I got more heat coming, man. I got a lot of packages that need to be opened and unboxed, man. But remember, when it comes to kicks, clothes, or cologne, I'm gonna get you in your zone, and I'm out.